Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh as an Amtrak train leaves Martinez. And I thought I would show you the pall of smoke. In front of me is the Marina Park. There's the tracks going north or east, I'm not sure. There's tracks going west, and you can see the sky. There is a pall of smoke here, extending as far as you can see. It's clouds and smoke. It's not fog. And by the way, our power is being shut off because of high fire danger and high wind danger. And yet here in downtown Martinez, you can see the hurricane force winds that are hitting this tree. Knock! Yesterday and Thursday and today, the winds are negligible. And it's going to be probably 90 here. But no wind here today. And yet, sometime today, they're shutting off all of Contra Costa County's power. Wow. The fire that PG&E set with their transmission lines, that's still burning out of control with 21,000 acres burned. So, why they're doing this is ridiculous, and our governor is telling the people getting incensed to PG&E when it is the people that should be incensed to the governor for passing laws protecting PG&E when their wiring started a campfire and killed 80 people. And there's a recall initiative going to throw out our governor, and I hope it succeeds. Now probably the lieutenant governor, also Democrat, probably won't be much better. But one can hope for an improvement from a guy who can't understand why gas prices here are over $4 a gallon. When AB1 was passed, Jerry Brown's raised the taxes and the car registration to fix roads. That's why it went to $3 a gallon. And everything in the stores is going up. All right. Anyway, I'm headed back home. I've made 3 gallons of coffee, cooked all my meals, dinners. It irritated me. I got to throw out all my milk that was still going to be good till November 7th. So that will go bad. And I will make some popcorn. I got lots of apples, and I did clean out my refrigerator. So, and it is hard for me to breathe down here because of the asthma and the smoke. But there's no wind here in this area to speak of, and the trees are barely moving. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now. Oh, here comes another train. Let me see if I can get this train. Hold on. Something's coming. Where is it coming from? I don't know. Oh, here it comes. Hold on. I don't want to drop the camera. Gee, the trains don't need power, do they? Why couldn't we have big generators in this town, or take over PG and tell PG to get hosed? Here comes another train coming up the track this way. All right, have a good one. I'll film the other train in a second. Bye-bye for now. Oh, wait a minute. It isn't stopping. So let's get this one too. Oh yeah, maybe it is. Yeah, it's stopping. Oh, it's gold. I've never seen one with yellow on it before. It's going to stop over there. All right, I'll walk over and get this one. Bye-bye. Before it leaves, hopefully.